you feel like English is too fast for you and you miss every sentence, then stop right here, because today, slowly, clearly, and easily. Hi, I am Isla, and before we start, I need to tell you something important. If you have not watched the previous lesson, go watch that first, because this is a series, and if you skip the basics, you will feel confused. Now, let me ask you something.
Have you ever watched an English video and thought, I understand a little, but then suddenly, everything becomes too fast? If that is you, just stay with me, because today, we are going to fix this, step by step, slowly, and in a way your brain will understand. Now listen carefully. Most people fail in English, not because they are not smart, but because they try to listen too fast. They rush, they panic, and then they give up. But not you. Today, we are doing something different. We are slowing everything down. And when you slow down, your brain starts learning. So let us begin. First, just listen. Do not repeat. Do not translate. Just listen. The sentence is, I am learning English every single day. Now listen again. I am learning English every single day. Now listen again. I am learning English every single day. Did you understand? Be honest. Yes or no. If yes, good. If no, that is completely fine. Now, we break it. I am learning. Pause. English. Pause. Every single day. Now again. I am learning English every single day. Now repeat with me. Slowly. I am learning. Pause. English. Pause. Every single day. Good. Now let me ask you. Did that feel easier? This is the secret. You do not need more vocabulary. You do not need difficult grammar. You need slow listening. Now we go to the next level. Listen. She is going to the store to buy some food. Again. She is going to the store to buy some food. Now tell me. Did you catch? Store. Did you catch? Food. Good. Now break it. She is going. Pause. To the store. Pause. To buy some food. Now repeat. She is going. To the store. To buy some food. Very good. Now listen carefully. This is where most people quit. But you will not. Because at the end of this video, I have a surprise for you. Something that will change how you learn English. So stay with me. Now next sentence. Listen. I did not understand what he said. Again. I did not understand what he said. Now I ask you. Did you understand this? Yes or no? Be honest. Now break it. I did not understand. Now we go to the next level. Listen. She is going to the store to buy some food. Again. She is going to the store to buy some food. Now tell me. Did you catch? Store. Did you catch? Food. Good. Now break it. She is going. Pause. To the store. Pause. To buy some food. Now repeat. She is going. To the store. To buy some food. Very good. Now listen carefully. This is where most people quit. But you will not. Because at the end of this video, I have a surprise for you. Something that will change how you learn English. So stay with me. Now, next sentence. Listen. I did not understand what he said. Again. I did not understand what he said. Now I ask you, did you understand this? Yes or no? Be honest. Now break it. I did not understand what he said. Now repeat. I did not understand what he said. Good. Now we go a little faster. Listen. I want to speak English with confidence. Again. I want to speak English with confidence. Now you try. I want to speak English with confidence. Say it again. A little faster. I want to speak English with confidence. Great. Now listen. This is very important. Do not try to be perfect. Just try to be better than yesterday. Let me ask you something. Why do you want to learn English? For a job? For travel? For confidence? Or just to prove to yourself that you can do it? Think about it. Because your reason is your power. Now listen to this. I will not give up on my English journey. Again. I will not give up on my English journey. Now repeat. I will not give up on my English journey. Good. Now we practice a short conversation. Listen. Hello. How are you? I am good. How about you? I am doing great. Now repeat with me. Hello. How are you? I am good. How about you? I am doing great. Very good. Now imagine you are speaking this in real life. How would that feel? Confidence. Right. That is what we are building. Now do not leave because we are close to the surprise. But first, one more exercise. Listen carefully. I used to feel nervous when speaking English, but now I feel more confident. Again. I used to feel nervous. Pause. When speaking English. Pause. But now. Pause. I feel more confident. Now repeat. I used to feel nervous when speaking English, but now I feel more confident. That is your future. Now listen. If you made it this far, you are serious. So comment. I am improving. Now, the surprise. Here it is. From today, I want you to do this every day for just 10 minutes. Listen to slow English. Repeat. Speak out loud. That is it. No stress. No pressure. Just consistency. Do this for 7 days, and you will see a difference. Now promise me, you will try. And if you are serious, like this video and subscribe, because I will guide you every single day. And next time, we go one step further. See you in the next lesson.